Hello guys, welcome to Affiliate Offers. I hope this video finds you well. So on this video guys, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your UHRS account. And this video has been inspired by one of our subscribers. He commented in one of our videos, and the video is UHRS account registration, step by step, one former registration. Okay, so the person who has inspired this video is let me just show you. Where is he? He's down here somewhere. Nope. Oh yeah, this person, Drissel James Pell. Drissel James Pell. Thank you, Drissel, for your comment. And Drissel was asking, sir, how can I delete my one form account? Okay, and he went ahead and said that I don't see any option there, and I sent them email, but they blocked me. So Drissel, thank you for your comment, and I'm just going to show you that in the next 5 minutes. And guys, there are so many reasons why you may want to delete your UHRS account, and some of the reasons why you may want to delete your UHRS account is that maybe you have multiple UHRS accounts from different vendors, and now you want to delete your one form account because we all know that having multiple UHRS accounts from different vendors is not allowed, and that can lead to account suspension. Okay, another reason is that maybe you have multiple one form account with the same details, and now you want to delete one of your account because having multiple accounts from the same vendor is also not allowed, and that also can lead to account suspension. So to avoid suspension, it's good to have one account. Now, another reason is maybe you have two UHRS accounts from different vendors and you don't want to get rid of any of them. And another thing, maybe you have one device, maybe a laptop or your tablet. So you may have two UHRS accounts from different vendors, but you don't know how to work on both of them at the same time because you have the same device. So to avoid suspension, you may want to permanently delete one of your accounts. And guys, if this is one of the reasons why you want to permanently delete your one of your accounts, then I can show you a trick on how you can work on the same device from two different UHRS accounts, and you won't be suspended. So if you want to know how to work on different vendors, UHRS vendors on the same device without getting suspension, then I can show you that. So what you need to do is just to like this video, then comment in the comment section of this video, just type show me how. Then depending on how many comments I'm going to get and the likes I'm going to get on this video, I'll see if I can make a video about it, or I will just comment on your comment with the tricks on how you can work on different accounts on the same device. Okay, so thank you for that. And the last reason why you may want to delete your account is maybe you've realized that UHRS is not for you, and now you just want to delete it and do something else. Okay, so guys, if any of the above reason is the reason why you want to delete your account, then stick around in the next 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly that. So thank you. Now, before we continue guys, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video and hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time that we upload new videos like this one. Okay, so thank you. So if you want to delete your account, the first thing is you need to log in I believe you know how to log in. So when you log in, this is the dashboard, what you are going to see. Now here what you need to click on is just to come here, then you see my profile here. Just click on it. Okay, just click on it and it will take you to this page. Okay, yes, I'll have to block some of these, so don't worry about that. So when you're on this page, and guys, by the way, I've received a lot of comments asking me how is it possible that I have so many hits on my UHRS dashboard. And one of the trick is just to make sure that you fill in the correct information on this contact information, languages, and also do skills and educations, work experience. Make sure that you fill in all of these, okay, with your correct details. Okay, but for today I'm not going to show you all that. We are here for account deletion. Okay, now when you're on this page, what you need to do is just to scroll down. Okay, when you're down here, you see here privacy center. Here, just click on it, then it will take you to this page. Okay, now on this page you'll have to scroll down again. Okay, just scroll down then, and by there guys, if you want to see all the details, your details on your UHRS, you can just download them from here. So if you download here, you'll get all the information from one form. Okay, and you can have it as a PDF or a document. That will depend with you. Now if you want to delete your account, if you scroll down, you'll see here delete your account. Okay, and here you see guys, they've even warned you that please note that this action is irreversible. Please think about it twice. You will certainly miss you. Now before you delete your account, you should have a concrete reason why you want to delete it. Okay, because after deleting your account guys, you want to get it back again. Okay, all your information will be erased from this platform. Now you can just register again and have a fresh account. Okay, after deleting it. And here they're saying clicking the button above will start the process of permanently deleting your former account. You will receive a confirmation email with a link to confirm your intention to irrevocably delete this account. The confirmation link must be activated within the next 24 hours. Once you have clicked on that link, your account deletion will be completed. So guys, before you delete your account, you need to have a concrete reason why you want to delete it. And I hope you have a concrete reason why you want to delete your account. So here's where you'll get your account deletion button. Okay, just from the privacy center here, then you come down and click on delete, then you go back to your email, then confirm your account deletion. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.